Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you best setting for sunset video in VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before we start the editing, I'm going to show you my sunset video after adjustment. And I'm going to show you guys how we can create the cinematic adjustment for sunset video. Okay, I'm going to go back to my projects and I'm going to open up the project I have just created before. Okay, and first of all guys, we can go to the filter option and then we're going to choose the retro category. It's here, retro, and then you're going to choose R9, this one, and I'm going to click on apply to all. And we're going to go back to the filter and then select the adjustment, and you can copy my adjustment. The first one for the exposure, we're going to make it -4, and then for the contrast, I'm going to make it +42. Oops, 42. Okay, and for the brightness, we're going to make it -10. Oops, -10, like this. And for the saturation, make it +20. And for the vibrance, I'm going to make it +30. And for the temperature, make it +28. 28. Okay, done. And this is for the result. And actually, if you're still not satisfied with the adjustment, you can keep adjusting until you get what you want, because each video has different adjustment or different setting. It depends on your video. And then don't forget to click on apply to all, so the adjustment will be applied to the whole video. Okay, and let me check it. Okay, this is for the adjustment. Okay, and I'm just going to go back, and if you want to export the video guys, we can go to the export menu here, and then you can choose the resolution. I recommend you to choose the best resolution for your video, and then you can click on export and your video will be saved to your device. Okay, and it's done for today. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.